Been a while. Shorter hair, a bit whiter, but Decked Out TV is back. The Lux is fixed and ready to go, and we're heading off to Tallarook. DT's car rego's been suspended for some reason. Maybe this is all a ploy just to use my car because his car's scared of tracks, but who knows. Yeah, it should be fun.
This is the first trip out since the fateful accident. Let's go. We're getting this shit. Wait, stop, I'll go around this side. Go that way, left. Just go for it. Keep it straight. Winch. Power, power. Slow, slow, slow. Slow, slow. This way. Well, are you having a fun day on the tracks, Ben? Yeah, have you got a max track in the back of your car?
It's so sketchy. I don't like this bit here. Into the up. Into where.
It climbed that, no worries.
fine. You got about that much.
You have to scrape the ball.
Fuck now.
Now we're going the height on this side. Down and correct, and then come this way. There's a big log just here. A bit more. And then, yeah, come over this direction. And we'll move.
I wonder why the tracks are fucked.
I can even come up this side.
Where's the other match track?
It's underneath here somewhere.
Oh no.
It didn't even touch the back track.
You're like, hey, turn it this way.
I think
Now come.
Hey, back up, I reckon. I reckon come and get this. Come and hit this side. Can you go back anymore?
Yeah. No, don't go back more. No. Stop. Go down.
The tree. I feel like if you reverse it.
Keep turning. You see that? Yeah, you good? Yeah, I'd yeah, a little bit more. Yeah, go slow. Yeah, you got a bit more back. You got a bit more back. Bit more. Yeah, a little bit more to your left. Yeah, no, a little bit more right. Tiny bit, just a little bit left. Yeah. Yeah. Mate, both are like literally have their tyre over. Got to go right a little bit.
No, it's all mud there. I reckon you'll get stuck. Give it a bit of power. Oh, you come left a little bit. Yeah. left. I mean right. Sorry, you're right. Good. Power up.
Gordo, what are we cooking?
We're gonna have roast vegetables in the camp oven with what vegetables are we using? Potato, carrot, and then we're gonna do some Scotch fillets in a skillet that we should have but we don't have. So we're gonna take the vegetables out and then do the Scotch fillets in the camp oven again.
Perfect.
And we're gonna have broccolini and collini, genetically modified.
Get a drink, have a good time now. Welcome to paradise.
Cook. 2 or 4.
Welcome to Tara's B-roll.
There's a big hole here. As Jacob and Nick rock up, this is what has happened. Jacob's vlog. Fucking hell. How the fuck do we even get out of here? Alright, plan of attack. Get this into the... Oh. Get this here out into the middle. Winch Catrice, and then winch Jacob out. Catrice's tow ball doesn't come off, so we're gonna have to winch off it. Not an ideal situation.
This is gonna hold the whole fucking car.
Fuck. Do we put the dampener on the tow ball maybe? Alright. Right. Well, you
bit more. There you go. There you go. Go. You're out. Go lift up. Just slow. Keep going back. Keep going. Wow. Stop. Straighten your wheels a bit as well, because you're just sort of dragging.
It's a swimming pool.
Yeah.
To the left.
Go, 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 go! Car number 2.
Keep going. You're almost down.